This is Brendan's reenactment with the Galant VR4.
Yo, Joy, let's go on the highway. Yo, this shit's fast, right? Fuck shit. Yo, Chris, put the boost up. Yo, call Jay, man. I need more perks. Shit's wearing off. What? He's gonna give me a deal? What the fuck's going on?
That's when you broke
Yo, it's smoking.
The alarm's going off.
I'm gonna blow. Shit. Yo,
What the fuck happened, bro? What happened?
why is the alarm going off?
What the fuck?
Yo, call Andrew. Yo, what the fuck, man? I didn't even do anything wrong. I was like in 5th gear, but I put it to 1st. I tried to go there faster. Fuck. Bro, I'm fucking leaving this shit right here. Let's go buy another car.